Hello guys, in this video we will talk about Cursor, Replit, and Windsurf and will help you decide which AI dev and coding tool is best in 2025. So, for brief intros, Cursor is an AI pair programming assistant integrated into your IDE, while Replit is a browser-based IDE with collaborative coding and AI features, while Windsurf offers AI-driven code suggestions and infrastructure automation, and each tool aims to boost developer productivity via AI. Next, we will compare core functionality. Cursor inserts code snippets, suggests completions contextually as you code locally, while Replit provides an online IDE where you write, run, and share code instantly with AI helpers for code generation or debugging. Windsurf focuses on automating infrastructure as code or generating boilerplate, integrating AI to scaffold projects quickly. As a result, if you prefer local IDE enhancement, Cursor fits. If you want browser-based collaborative environment with AI, Replit is the choice. If you need automation for scaffolding and deployment, Windsurf is the choice. After that, we will examine the setup and accessibility. Cursor integrates with editors like VS Code or JetBrains. Installation is a plugin, while Replit requires no local install, just a browser and account. Windsurf may involve cloud setup or CLI install depending on its design. Thus, for ease of access anywhere, Replit will win. For seamless local integration, Cursor is the choice. For project automation and workflows, Windsurf is the best. Moreover, we will consider collaboration features. So, Replit excels in real-time multi-user editing and sharing live prototypes, while Cursor is primarily a solo coding assistant, but can be used alongside version control for team workflows. Windsurf may integrate with CI or CD pipelines for team deployment, but less real-time collaborative editing. Therefore, if collaboration is key, Replit is your choice. If individual coding efficiency matters for you, Cursor is the best. If deployment automation is your priority, choose Windsurf. Additionally, we will assess AI capabilities. So for Cursor, often use large language models to generate context-aware code snippets, unit tests, or refactoring suggestions, while Replit's AI feature can generate functions or assist debugging but may be limited by browser environment, while Windsurf's AI may specialize in infra templates or high-level architecture suggestions. Consequently, choose based on your AI needs. Code completion versus environment prototyping versus infrastructure automation. So furthermore, we will assess their price and resource requirements. So for Cursor, may have subscription tiers based on usage, while Replit offers fee tier limits and paid plans for more compute, private routes, or theme features. Windsurf pricing might depend on project scale or cloud usage. Evaluate your budget versus your future needs for you to choose. So in summary, pick Cursor if you want AI assistant directly in your local IDE and focus on code completion or refactoring. Pick Replit if you value instant browser-based coding, collaboration, and light AI helpers. Pick Windsurf if your focus is automating infrastructure, scaffolding, and higher-level projects set up with AI. As always, try free tiers or trials to see which fits your workflows best. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.